I look good?
You look great.
That's a lie. You're a terrible liar. I look like dog today. Hey guys, Dustin with Custom Offsets here. Today I'm joined by Lawson.
What's up?
And we are coming back with another rendition episode, kind of, but not really, of rating YouTubers' trucks. So it's been a hot minute since we've done these. But before we do that, remember wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. Also, if you want to check out what fits your truck, we have a cool gallery that's getting like 30,000 new trucks added every year. You can find that customoffsets.com/gallery. Check out what fits your truck. Before we do this, I know that these guys are changing their trucks really rapidly, but we have to start somewhere. So if it's not the newest video, give us a little break. You know, we grab some videos. We want to at least start, and then we can roll forward from there. Oops, don't add us right now.
Yeah, please don't.
Up first, Whistling Diesel. So it's cool to see it back again. I actually found out that I was wrong, so I apologize. This is not a new truck for him. He had this and then sent it off to be built, which makes it even more cool.
Yeah.
We are watching the fastest way to lose a $170,000 monster truck.
And he's in water.
Yes.
So that probably has something to do with it.
Yeah. Michael Scott backing it down into the river there. So this thing is absolutely massive, of course. I'm sure you guys have all seen this thing. I just love how it floats.
Yeah.
Or kind of floats, you know? Oh geez, the whole thing's bouncing back and forth.
Well, his intake's up by the headlight now.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Yeah. Yeah, see? Taking water into the intake.
Yikes.
That's not good.
But anyway, this thing is massive, of course. I think he's on 50s or 56s. They're gigantic. Big old mud boggers. You know, big custom 4-link suspension there. I just think it's cool that he did this with a cat eye.
Oh my God.
The whole thing is just...
Dude, if it's got to lean one way, it should be leaning the other way, because now there's just so much water in your intake, and he's really struggling.
Yikes. Is it gonna go over? Oh no.
You think he's panicking at this point?
I mean, I probably would be. Either way, just talking about the truck a little bit more, he's got the 2 hood stacks there. I believe this is, I can't tell if this is like a black, like a matte black, or if it's more of a, like a dark pewter and just covered in mud. But beautiful truck either way. Light bars on light bars on light bars. Again, we've seen this thing before when we rated it, or when we reacted to it.
Yeah, if you guys haven't seen that full video of us deep diving for like 12 minutes and reacting to him jumping it in the water, everything, definitely go check that out.
So let's do this from the gallery style. Let's give it a rating on a scale 1 to 10, 1 being not so hot, 10 being super duper awesome, of course. You have to take into account that these are YouTube trucks, so our rating scale may be a little skewed. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, 9.5. I think it's awesome.
That's sad, dude.
It's cool. The fact that he owned this truck before and then sent it off to be built and then brought it back makes it that much cooler for me.
Yeah, absolutely. The only thing I really have to nitpick is the roof rack. It's just not my thing. It's just not my look, but the fact that he actually uses his trucks, and it makes sense. You know, I really enjoy watching his videos. He puts these trucks to the test.
Literally full send everywhere. Up next, we are hopping over into Larry Wheels. Title is $350,000 truck in the middle of gym. This thing is wild. All I see a Hennessy badge on the back, which means it's got some performance goodies. I see King shocks up under there, right?
Yeah.
You can see the King blue.
Yeah.
It's got 2 drive axles, which is fantastic. I believe this started as a Raptor.
That was crazy.
All right, so there's the whole truck. There you can see it. So it looks like,
I love that color.
so it looks like a Velociraptor conversion, which is pretty neat. I love that a bunch of companies are doing stuff like this now. They're like taking Raptors and then taking them to the next level. Or in the case of like ADD, they're taking F-150s that are not Raptors and making their own like aftermarket Raptor kit, which is super cool.
Got 2 extra wheels and tires, and then it's got like the headache rack in the back. It's got the light bar on top, the aftermarket bumpers and stuff.
Yeah, it's definitely different. So I've seen enough if you have.
Yep.
All right, 3, 2, 1,
7.
8. Yeah, it's cool. The color's neat. I'm really torn on the whole dual rear drive axle thing. The 6x6 thing is neat, but I don't know, man. I just can't get behind it. It's just not
that's
my
what's
thing.
throwing me off. I can't imagine driving something like that around. I think like off-road use, I love the wheel and tire setup. I think it fits really well. I love the color. I'm not a huge headache rack, but it kind of fits this truck. I love the bumpers. Obviously, everything else is pretty close to your newer F-150s. The 6 wheels and tires is just throwing me off.
I would change my opinion, I think, wholeheartedly if I got this sended across the desert.
Larry, Take this thing out to the desert, send me a video.
No, invite us. Let's go take it to the
Larry,
desert together.
Invite us to the desert. Let's go out there. I'll shoot the video.
Yeah, Lawson can film. It'd be a great time.
Yeah.
Have your people call my people. Up next, Dirty Max Jack's Compound Cummins. Woo! All right, so we've got a white fourth gen, yeah? Single cab, short box with compounds. I'm about it. This thing's cool. It's super clean already. Like, whited out is always a good look regardless. It's interesting you went black wheels because a lot of guys, like Sean obviously, did whited out, but then he did chrome wheels, and it makes the whole truck really bright.
Right.
And like black wheels, they make it look, I would say, lower because you have, you know, it blends in with the shadows and stuff. See that? So it makes that truck appear like it sits really low. It's got the cowl induction hood there. Got some cab lights up on top.
Yeah, it looks like they're tinted.
I'm a sucker for cab lights.
Yeah, I think they're tinted cab lights, which are dope.
Bed stack. Thank God.
It's super clean.
Dude, I love bed stacks. 45-degree angle cut bed stack, especially in a truck like this that's made to just get rowdy on the street.
Right.
Absolutely. Let's rate it. Hey, we're trying to make a movie here. Zach, just because you don't work for Custom Offsets anymore doesn't mean you have to hate us. What do you think of this? Give me your honest feedback. 3, 2, 1.
On a scale of what, 1 to 10?
1 to 10. 1 being the worst, 10 being the best.
7.
3, 2, 1.
8.5.
I'm going Zach, 7.
What? You were obviously influenced by him.
No, I wasn't influenced. I had that number before he walked on the set.
I don't believe you. He's gonna, just wait, he's gonna remember that it has compounds. He's gonna be like, oh, it should have been an 8.
Oh shit, it's got compounds 12.
See? No, in all seriousness though, I think it's cool.
This is your style though.
Yeah, like the reverse level, and then the bed stack, and then like get down and boogie compound turbos.
Yeah. It's just when I rate, it's like, I try to think of like, if I saw it on the street past
Would
me,
it, like,
would
snap
I
on
be
that?
like, oh my God. As far as like aesthetics and stuff go, it's a white truck, black wheels, and it's, you know, just sitting low and likes the boogie.
Yeah. Let's move on. Braden Price. I'm excited about this one. I've seen this truck before. So this is a 16 to 18 GMC, I believe.
Yep.
And this truck is in probably my favorite color of a new truck.
Yes.
That like, it's that like deep blue-ish kinda.
I'm a huge like white or black or gray. Like I love Banker's new gray, but I definitely like this blue or like the new reds that companies have been coming out with.
Oh yeah.
Are like fantastic.
Started the video out with a burnout. I'm gonna jump to here because he's got a little under hood stuff going on here. Oh, looks like he had an HID that probably wasn't working. Anyone who's had HIDs knows that struggle.
Those headlights look colored, paint to match.
I just want to see more burnout footage, dude. Ooh. So he is on 22, 24s, I'm guessing those are. Chrome front grille, chrome mirror caps. He's got the either chrome or polished wheels. I'm not exactly sure which one, but either way, looks super good. Yeah, I mean that's all I've got to say about it. It's dope. I follow him on Instagram too, and he's always posting pictures of it.
Follow him on Instagram?
Yeah, dude, I follow him.
You don't know his wheel and tire package?
Dude, I don't know. I'd have to look it up. Don't at me right now, okay? Look, he's drinking a Kool-Aid Jammer. That's how I know he's already awesome. Where's your Kool-Aid Jammer, bro?
At his house. I'm gonna go hang out. I'm on my way.
All right, let's rate this thing. 3, 2, 1, 10.
8.5.
This is a 10 for me, dude. I love this truck. I love this color. I love the wheel and tire with the chrome or polish or whatever it happens to be. With the blue, looks super good. I would drive this thing all day, every day, hands down bar none. It's dope.
Yeah, I would say like 8.5, 9, just because I do love the color, even though it's not like my get down. It's like it probably would be. I actually like the new colors of these trucks. He's got the right chrome. He's got the right wheel and tire setup, sizing wise, fitment wise. Everything just flows really, really, really well. I just don't know as much about the truck as you do. So that's just my opinion based off of what I saw. So
let's do one more. Last but certainly not least, it's just a 6.
Wow.
So Gavin's super cool, obviously. If you guys didn't know, we actually sent him some wheels and tires a little ways back. I know a lot of the guys here have followed his channel since he was pretty small, and he's 900K subs now. Yeah. So he's a great dude. So this is his race truck, and I'm seeing a white regular cab short box cat eye that's dropped. I'm guessing this is a 4.6 drop, probably like our shop truck.
Yeah.
Obviously, he's got some work put into this one. He's got, dude, look at those seat brackets. It's got the 6 logo in it. Super neat. She's got Kirky race seats in here, obviously. The front end of the truck is all tore apart because this is still a work in progress at this time. Again, this is just this video. It was posted in May. I know that he's done some stuff since then.
Mount up front.
Yeah. Damn. Yeah. Rowdy. Can we, hold on, can we hear it? Is it running?
Oh my God.
Just chopping right now. Let's rate it.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
9.
8. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's.
I rated it higher than you for once.
Yeah, I'm surprised. It's cool, it's rowdy, it'd be a ton of fun, but I think I'm in the same boat with you where it's like, so like we talked about how the Compound Cummins was kind of like my get down, and that's true, but this is almost too much race truck for me. Like I'm not a huge drag strip guy, and this is almost pushing that boundary of being dedicated race truck. And I know he calls it his race truck, so it is like an actual true quarter-mile setup, but it's still neat. I still like it. It's just not necessarily my cup of tea, you know.
Yeah, I gave it a 9 just because I can appreciate all of the stuff that's been done to it. I know there's a ton of work put into this thing, and just how easy it can break them loose. And like I said, with us having history of driving literally the same setup, just not as much power.
Not even close.
Yeah, or the same amount of meats or anything. All right, guys, that's what we got for you guys on reviewing. We didn't roast.
Yeah,
reviewing.
Jesus, just get out of here. You can't do this.
I'm out of here.
Bye, Lawson. Thanks for watching. This has been another episode of Rating YouTubers Trucks. Thank you to Cody Lawson, who just walked away, for joining us today. If you guys enjoyed this, let us know who we should rate in the comments down below. And remember, wheels, tires, suspension, CustomOffsets.com. I'm out.